All right. You know, my boiler makes a banging noise every time it starts. Then it goes away. But what causes that is these boiler drain valves are clogged. Even with the handle all the way open here, nothing came out. This one was on this side. As you can see, it's totally clogged, and you're not able to get the dirty water and mud out. So I had to take this off, and of course all the water comes out, but make sure you shut it off first. And I took this off, I cleaned it out in the sink, it's all clean now. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. Clean this out, put it back in. Then you could flush it out. You should probably flush it out once a week, or at least once a month. And once you clean this out, it'll automatically fill, and then it won't make that banging noise anymore. So thanks for watching.